How can update system? First, go on setting options, then move on many phones have different settings. First to go on systems, then you go on advanced systems. The system updates are available here. If any system is update, you can automatically get update. My system is always updated, so I do not have any update. This is regulatory number. Every phone having their own regulatory number from where the phone is come to your hand. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and comments and share my video. Thank you for watching my channel Techno UFO.